there's a potential to revolutionize the way that we learn, not just the way that we access information. So, do you have any insights into how AI-driven assistance could be improving outcomes in, say, educational settings?
The possibilities are really limitless here. It's pretty exciting to see the potential of what we can do. So one example I'm really excited about is the democratization of personalized tutoring. So currently this can be really prohibitive due to cost for different audiences, but with AI, it really broadens access to this type of educational support. The other day my son was working on some new vocabulary, and there's all these apps and flashcards and things that are made online, and within a few prompts I could just give Gemini the list of words and definitions, and it could start quizzing him in an interactive way. So it's really very accessible and easy to use. And of course, you could do that more broadly, asking the AI to teach you history, to create a lesson plan for linear algebra, developing homework assignments, answer guides. You can also, have it adapt depending on which answers you know versus not. I've seen examples of people using it to, write and illustrate children's book or make a personalized story for a specific child. So there's just so many directions that you can go with it, and it's amazing what it can produce.
It's so cool. It is so limitless. It's mind-boggling how we could, and increasingly, and maybe even with interesting kind of like philosophical implications, we could entertain ourselves endlessly with these kinds of like on any imaginable topic. It's like you're speaking with the best expert on that topic, and they can go into so much depth and point you in the right direction and point out fascinating things about that area, or just tell you entertaining stories. It doesn't need to be educational, it could be entertaining. And increasingly, these things are multimodal. So, generating images, generating video to entertain or to educate. We are entering into a vastly different world from the ones that you and I grew up in. I mean, something that even as a small example of this kind of change that I've seen. I don't have any kids yet myself, but when I see kids these days, um, they expect all screens to be touchscreens. And there's this level of interactivity, and generative AI takes that orders of magnitude further, where you might expect most objects